Hello, how are you? Welcome. Today we'll look at our wardrobe rail kit with lighting and a motion sensor adjustable to the size of the wardrobe. You'll receive this wardrobe kit. What's inside? Inside we'll find a Luxe wardrobe rail with the LED strip already integrated. The side supports. In the case of this strip, which is the longest, a central support. In turn, we'll find the converter, and a box with the transmitter and a box with the receiver. Here we have our Luxe rail and we're going to adapt it to our wardrobe. To adapt it, what do we need to know? The internal gap of the wardrobe and subtract 11 millimeters, and that's where we'd cut. Let's imagine our wardrobe is 1 meter, 1000 millimeters, with walls of 19 millimeters. We'd subtract 19 and 19 and would find ourselves with 962 millimeters. That would be our A, our internal gap. And from those 962, we'd subtract 11 millimeters. In total, we'd be left with 951 millimeters. We won't cut it where the wiring is, we'll cut it on the side where the cable isn't. We'd take a tape measure, go to 951 and mark it. Right, we now have the rail prepared for cutting. Let's do it. Now, let's prepare the installation of the sensors. To do this, we'll connect the light fitting to the converter. We'll take the receiver and connect it to the control port. Next, we'll take the transmitter, put it in the on position, and we'll have charged it beforehand. A short press, a blue light will come on, and then we'll press button A. The light flashes and it's now synced. When we open the wardrobe door, it'll detect us and the light will come on. When we close the wardrobe door, after a few seconds the light will go off.